In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the liftgate support strut on this Ford Escape. This is the driver's side one that has the motor built into it for the power liftgate feature. Let's get started. Have an assistant help you out when you start doing this job because one strut is typically not enough to hold the weight of it. On the liftgate side of the support piston, you'll notice that it has a small clip. Stick a pocket screwdriver or a pick in here to pull the clip back and partially remove it. And then with that done, that unlocks the strut and you can pull it away. Clean off the mounting area. You don't want this to have any debris on it. And of course, inspect it. Sometimes these rust out. A lot of times though, they are okay and reusable. But if yours is in poor condition for some reason, replace it. Now take the new strut and clip it on to the mounting area, just like that. On the other end, before I disconnect the strut, I need to remove this grommet with the wiring harness. There we go. Now from inside the trunk, we'll have to remove this panel that covers the connector, which is right about here. All you have to do for this is grab it on the edge and pop it straight out. You may have to remove this weather stripping or peel it away just a little bit. And sometimes a trim tool is necessary. This is about as far as I'm going to go because this right here is our connector. To disconnect it, the locking tab is on the back side here, so you have to press on it and slide it towards the inside. There we go. Now you can push the wire through. And from the outside, we can pull the wire completely out with the connector. Then to disconnect this part, it's the same as the other side where you just have to put a little tool in here and undo this clip. Once you do that, that'll let go. And there is your old lift support. Clean up the mounting area. Take the new one and push the connector through first. That way this is ready to go. And I'm just going to put the grommet in as well. Make sure that's fully sealed, otherwise water will get in. And then turn this as needed. Line it up with the mounting point. You might have to lift up on the liftgate a little bit to get it to line up, and there we go, that just clicked into place, so that is perfect. At this point, everything is all set over here, so let's go back in and reconnect it. Grab your connector, line it up, slide it in, make sure it clicks. I didn't unhook anything here, so the wire should still be secured. Now just line up the panels and press them back into place. And there we go. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.